Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We saw on TV the other day that Wendy's now has a new Frosty. I'm a big fan of their Frosties. They have now the original chocolate and they added a new strawberry. I think we're going to go over to Wendy's and get one of each. We'll try them both out, compare them, see what we think. We'll rate them for you and let you know what we think about them, okay? All right, where is that app? I haven't used this Wendy's app yet, but I added my card. Let's see what we can do here. Start order. Pick up your food. Yes. On Industrial Drive. Yeah, that's where we're going. In Sulphur Springs. Yep, that's it right there. Okay, thank you. Continue order here. Okay. Continue. Pre-lunch. Frosties, there we go. Limited time right there. We're going to get one of those. Small, because we're going to use both of them. We'll get one of each. Let's go over here. We'll get the chocolate. Small one. All right. See that up there in the top right, that Wendy's bag? Shows what I've ordered. Carry out. Pick up time. What time is it? I don't want to wait till then. Other. No. All right, here we are. We tried using their app, but it told me the soonest I could pick it up was 3.5 hours later. So we went to the drive-through window and picked them up. We got the chocolate right here. They didn't give us a straw either, but they did give us a spoon. I used to eat them with a spoon anyway, so. Napkins, yeah, gotta have napkins. All right. Here is the chocolate one. This is the original. I was a big fan of this, so let's try this out. Just as good as I remembered it too. How many of you like these Frosties? And have you tried the strawberry one yet? I've got it right here, so we'll try it and let you know what we think about it. Right now, it's hard to get away from this original. Boy, they're good. I like them. I think we'll try the strawberry now. Get the lid off of it. There we go. See the strawberry? Doesn't that look good? Man, this is new. I'm glad they came out with a strawberry. I'm a big strawberry fan. That is good. Wow. If you haven't tried this yet, go try it. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about it. You may not like it, but I think you will. I think it's good. Look at that. Can you believe that? Strawberry Frosty. Wow. All right, ratings. Well, it's awful hard to rate these different. So the original chocolate, I rate that a 4. Nothing's perfect, so 1 to 5 stars. So I give that 4 stars because they are good. The strawberry one, it's new. I think it says for a limited time. I'll give it a 4.5 stars. That's how good I think about the strawberry. Try it. Let me know what you think, all right? Another bite. All right, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. That way you won't miss any of our new videos. Go check out our playlist called Taste Test. We also have Taste Test under Sonic. We have one under Subway and various things like that. Go check them out. There's a lot of videos up there. We'll show you some of the different things we've tried. I think you'll like them. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. If you can, please help support this channel. You can send us things to video like baseball card packs or just anything. We'll video them and get them up here for you. We'll even say you sent them in. Okay? If you'd like to leave a donation, there's links in the description below to Patreon or PayPal, either one. And see you next time. All right. Video's over, but I'm not through eating this strawberry. This is good. If you haven't tried that, look at that. Strawberry. Doesn't that look good? Wow. I have to say, Wendy's, you came up with a good idea this time. Yep, leave me a comment. Now remember, the ratings are strictly my opinion. You may agree, you may not agree. Let me know. That's okay. If you don't agree, if you're not the same as me, that's fine. Everybody's got their own opinion. But leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these, okay? Go try this and let me know. Well, one more bite and I think we're going to have to go. Oh, be careful, you get brain freeze. Your tongue freezes and can't hardly talk. All right, well, there's the two Frosties. Original and strawberry. All right? Go try them. Tell us what you think about them. See you next time.